So material industry sector, material type is copied because 8329 is already been created in the system. Enter. Select the views. I want to select all the views. Okay. So now after selecting all the views, I'm going to click on organizational data. Then the plant is 3100. Storage location 002. That's where I would like to create. Sales org 3000. Distribution channel 10. My material is not warehouse managed, so I don't put anything here. Enter. Asian Paints. Excellent. Enter. 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 It goes to next screen. Enter. Foreign trade. Enter. Sales text. Purchasing. Enter. MRP 3. MRP 4. Forecasting. Plant data, storage location. Plant data. Okay. Save. So these are the views that are relevant for this plant and storage location. So let's go and take a look at change immediate. Enter. And this time I'm only interested in quality management. I need to go and take a look at my quality management views and see they're in good shape. 3100. Enter. Okay, I do have inspection setup. Let me go to inspection setup. Okay, so it's all there. Final inspection at goods receipt from production. So that's been activated. That's active. And the detail information is right here. Okay, that is wonderful. Go ahead and save it. Okay, so that's done. What would be the next step? Next step would be, for this material, do I have inspection plan? Quality management and quality planning, inspection planning, inspection plan, change. Presuming that it is having one. If not, I'll create one. Yes, there is one. Let's take a look at the operations. How many operations we have? There's only one operation. One operation. Select the line item and see what type of inspection characteristics are being assigned at this particular operation, and what characteristics that we are going to. Okay, so it's a water content. It is looking for water content. Okay, and you have a sampling plan too. Very good. That's enough. So we do have everything set up. So let's go and start producing. Okay, so at this point of time we are confident that we have checked up all the data that is needed to do the production. So let us produce production, process order, create. With material, double click on it. That is the material that I am producing. PI01 is the order type. Enter. Okay. How many kilograms I'm going to produce? 10 kilograms. And what is the scheduling? Backward. So that means I need to give a date when I want it, since it is backward scheduling. Okay. So I want to say that I need it today. Enter. It's saying today is not a working day. Working day is 16. Oh, how come it has gone to next year? 1901. Okay, so that's not correct. Today is 18 dot 12 dot 2014. Date is in the past. Copying the master recipe. Copied the material list, which is BOM. Scheduling is done. That means the date when to start is going to come up in a minute. Okay, so what I need to do now is I need to see whether I have necessary capacity on my work center, which I'm going to use to make this product. That's what I'm checking now. It says finite scheduling, capacity not relevant for this one. Capacity is available. Okay. So what about my input components? Do I have my components available? The next question is, what are those components? Click here. You can see components. Those are pH-100, 20 kilograms, coming from a storage location called 0001. Its backflash indicator is on. I'll remove that for now. Okay, so this material, is it available? Check it up. So 20 kilograms of acetominum or 20 kilograms of pH-100 material, is that available at storage location 0001? Looks like it's available. Okay, then let us do the calculation part. The cost calculation is also done. We already did the scheduling, but let us do it anyway. It's done. Now I'm going to release my order, process order. Then I need to save it. So if we go back here, COR1, create process order, then release it, then do MIGO, goods issue, that means pH-100 material needs to be issued to produce 8329. Okay, then once we do that, we need to do the confirmation. So we have a process order number here. We need this number. Okay, we need that number to do the goods issue. This number we need. I copied it. Now /n MIGO goods issue, not receipt, goods issue order, production process order. Control V. If you close this, you can see nicely. Enter. And everything is fine except there is a batch management. So that means the pH-100 is managed in batches. So we need to go down, go to the drop down and pick the batch number. So you have two batch numbers, and let us take the very first one. Hopefully we have enough stock for this batch. Okay, instead of hoping, why don't we double check it? How do I double check? How do I double check the stock? MMBE, enter. This is not the material. pH-100 is the material. Storage location is given as 0001. This is not the top level material. This is input component. No zero stock line items. Execute. You should get. Okay. So 95, you have 1000. This you have 55. All we need is 20. So we are pretty good here. Go ahead and save it. As a result of this activity, what will happen is the stock of pH-100 input component will reduce by 20. That means if I go back to stock overview and refresh it, the 55 should become 35. Let us double check. Okay, this should become 35. 20 should go down. Go to new selection. That's refresh. 35. Okay, that's good. Now this process is over. Then the next process would be, we need to do the confirmation saying that we are done with the production. Confirmation. Expand. Enter for time ticket COR6N. Double click. Okay. Do I have the confirmation number? No. Do I have a process order number? Yes. Then do you know how many phases you have? I do not know. I will check it up. Go to drop down and see how many are there. There's only one. Okay. Is this final confirmation? Yes, it is. Hit enter. Okay. The setup time, machine time, everything has come except machine setup time. So setup time hasn't come all by itself. So let me put that the setup time is 5 hours. And how much I'm really producing? 100 kilograms. Do I anticipate any scrap, or do I see any scrap? No. So since there is no scrap, there is no variation also. There is no need to say that. Now what I need to do is save. It's calculating the actual cost. Confirmation is over. It's been done. Okay. So the next operation, the next step is receive the stock. /NMIGO, enter. So is it goods issue? No. Goods receipt. Is it for purchase order? No. This is for order. Do you have that order with you? Yes, I do. Enter. Okay. The storage location where I want to receive is 0002, not 1. Okay. So I just wanted to double check that because I saw 001 by default. Even though it is defaulted in the material master for this material, I can always overwrite. So that's what I did now. Okay. Now go ahead and save it. Okay. So that means we received it. As per the quality, it should go and sit at quality right here. But this is not my material. 8329. Refresh, new selection. Okay. And I do not see 002. So that means I need to go back and put 0. Okay. Execute. Excellent. So as for my assumption, the 10 is sitting here. Okay. So now I need to do the process, quality process. So how do I do that? I need to know what is the inspection lot number. I would like to go to MD04 to find out the number. Enter. Inspection lot number. Okay, so the lot number is 1601. The quantity is 10 sitting here. No, it's not 16. Four, so many zeros followed by that one. Okay, 1601. That is wonderful. And let me click here. Logistics, quality management, quality inspection, inspection lot, lot processing, change. Why do I go to change? Because the number is already created by the system. You see that the same number, 4 followed by several zeros, 1601. Okay, results recording. How many operations I have? I think I have only one, right? Okay, now enter. So who am I actually now? I'm an inspector, quality inspector sitting at the plant. So water content should be 0.5 to 1.5. I think it is 1. That's what I saw. Enter. I'm okay with that. Then green. Save it. Okay. Since it is only 1, I'm done. Next step I need to take care, because I don't have any defects, so I'm not going to record any defects. So I'm going to click on usage decision. I will go here for the code. So the code has come, you see, all star, right? So that means everything is star. So go ahead and save it. Okay, there is nothing. So there are no codes, nothing. So just keep it blank over there. Okay. So now you want to move it to, so you accepted everything. So how much you accepted? 10. Where you are moving here. Save. Okay, so there is a remaining sample quantity. Okay, there is a 0 quantity. Okay, that's okay. Hit enter. Okay, done. Then again, how do I know that it is done? Come here, stock overview. This should come here. Okay, or it should be 10. It should be added to 118. That should be 128. Refresh. So 10 has come, 128. Okay. Similarly, if you go to MD04, this 10 should be added to 118 and this lot should disappear. You see, the lot is disappeared. The 10 quantity is added to 118. Okay, that's a clear indication that we did a good job. Okay, let me stop the recording.